What we want to look at now is using the Autosum feature in Excel. We want to place the final mark here, which is the average of the sum of term 1, term 2, term 3, term 4. If we highlight these, here we can get what the average is, 70.75. But we don't want to highlight the figures, we actually want the calculation. We highlight the field where we want it, and it is called H2, column H, row 2. Make sure you're on your home tab and come right across here to where it says editing. You'll see there's an Autosum, and right next to it is a tiny little down arrow. You click on the down arrow, you can sum, average, count, max, min, etc. We want to calculate the average. When you click on it, Excel tries to guess what you're trying to average. This time it gets it right, and these are called marching ants. You simply press enter. Can you see your average is 71? If we highlight these fields and come down here, it says 70.75. So here our answer is rounded up. If we go to our number group, we can increase the zeros, 70.8, once again rounded, 70.75. We're happy to take the rounded percentage of 71. Let's try that again. We want to average Susie. We go to our editing group on the home tab, click the down arrow for Autosum, click average. Now Excel has got itself into a mess. You simply click and drag the 4 columns you want averaged and press enter. And there you have your answers. So very quick, you position the place where you want your answer, click the drop down arrow, click on average, highlight what you wanted to average, and press enter.